say a heart is just like a wheel. When you bend it, you can't mend it. And my love for you was like a sinking ship, and my heart was on that ship out in mid-ocean. They say that death, it is a tragedy. Yes, it comes once and then it's over. But my only wish was for that deep dark abyss. 'Cause what's the use of living with no true lover? When harm is done, oh no, love can be won. I know it happens frequently, but what I can't understand, oh please God, hold my hand, why it should have happened to me. And it's only love, and it's only love that can wreck a human being and turn him inside out. That can wreck a human being and turn him inside out. And it's only love, and it's only love, and it's only love, and it's only love. This world is made with sweat and toil, pushing muscle and elbow oil. We can't lie too long in the shade, 'cause every day must be remade. Some days you fall, some days you fly, but in the end we all must die. Our rotting flesh and broken bone will feed the ground that we call home, feed the ground that we call home. And a new sprout grows from a fallen tree. This world will go on after me. live and die, another day to live and die. I've run naked in the wild, seen the beauty of a newborn child, and like the alchemists of old, I've tried to spin my straw to gold. Most times a giver, sometimes a thief, full of hope but prone to grief. Between freedom and despair, I know the truth is lying there. I've seen the truth, it's lying there. Let a new sprout grow from a fallen tree. This world will go on after me. Lift your heart and dry your eyes. Another day to live and die, another day to live and die. So go on now, don't worry about me. You've miles to go in a world to see. My life's been long and full and good. I've run the race the best I could. It's a short time here and long apart, but the same song rings in both our hearts. Take my guitar when I'm gone, write your own rhymes and pass them on. Take a hit and pass it on. This song will go on after me. Lift your heart and dry your eyes. It's just another day.